It worked. Good job.
That is so good. A potato gun. If you're new to the channel, I find things that I think are interesting that I don't know how to do, find out how to do them, and this time is a potato gun. This is what the end result's gonna look like, just with a button and a lot more tighter. It's gonna be 6 pieces. I have 7 because I have an attachment to make it smaller so I can shoot mini potatoes and stuff like that. The 6 items are a barrel, the attachment to fit the small barrel, aka small PVC pipe, into the big PVC pipe. I have 2, like I said. This small connector, the big PVC pipe for the combustion chamber, another small connector for the end, and last but not least, the connector to screw and unscrew. You're gonna need to use a special kind of PVC pipe glue. It's gonna look like this. The purple's for the base, and the clear one's gonna be the actual glue. Apply the purple first, apply it on both items. Give it like 30 seconds to dry. Then you apply the clear glue, always both sides. And then when you push, turn and hold for like 30 seconds. Once it's all glued together, it's look like this. Now it's time to put a hole for the igniter. You want to put it to the bottom. A hole about this size. Once everything's done, this is what it should look like. Now all you gotta do is put Axe or body spray on the bottom as the fuel, close it, press the igniter, and boom! And once you get that down, you can put twists and turns and make attachments just like this. Boom! Come out the blicky. Or you can go crazy like I did. I just wanted a big one for a big potato and a small one for small potatoes or whatever smaller item. It's all you need, so it's time to go shoot them. I got the mini potato. You put it in. Use a stick or something to put it in. You're gonna want to measure it like that so you know it doesn't go too deep and fall in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close it up.
Loud. That one was loud.
All right, same concept, but now with the yap. 1, 2.
Oh, I was not ready. That hurt my ear.